Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a different reading. Uh, this is going to be a psychic reading on what is going to happen for the coming 2 weeks. This could be a general reading also, but the difference between psychic tarot or intuitive tarot is that mostly the readings are uh, channeled with the help of the messages that is coming from the spirit guides along with the channeling, and this could be treated as a general spread because this is a psychic spread which is taken to create awareness on what could be the possible options that you may have in the future. Now, this is a generic spread which is about 8 cards. The cards I have got for this spread was, there are a lot of cards basically. Four of Cups, Two of Swords. Four of Cups card shows that Four of Cups and Two of Swords card are the first two cards. They basically shows that a particular decision is not being made and the person is feeling that why he is sitting in this situation where he is supposed to move, whereas he is supposed to move away from this to go in and sign in an emotional contract or a job contract with someone else. So right now the person is sitting with Two of Pentacles, with with Two of Swords, with two swords crossed over, without taking a decision on himself or herself, and thinking that why am I being kept in this situation, whereas he or she was supposed to move in and sign in an emotional agreement or a job contract with someone else, which is depicted by the Seven of Swords situation right now. The Seven of Swords situation is deceiving oneself by not being able to move away from lies or deception, which is shown by the Four of Cups situation. So there is no point in thinking too much about the situation. If you are supposed to move away from the situation, then the best thing is to move away from the situation, as you know, a full emotional wish fulfillment and satisfaction is guaranteed by this Ten of Cups card. If you move ahead with the new emotional contract or the job contract that you have, since you have already built a proper foundation to start a new beginning or have an emotional contract with someone new or to start a new job, this is the Seven of Pentacles card, which shows that enough work has been put to manifest a new contract or to have an emotional new beginning in life. So the work has been already done, and this is the Judgment card which I've got. So there is a need to take a decision. Two of Swords is a hanging card, which depicts that you have not taken a decision so far on where to move forward with. And Judgment card after the Two of Swords card shows that time has come for you to choose a decision on yourself. And the Four of Cups card, sitting on that Four of Cups energy will not help you because you have already put in the work to create the foundation shown by the Seven of Pentacles card. And since you have this Three of Pentacles card, which shows that there is an emotional contract or a job contract for which you need to work together with someone new, it's better to move into that and have your complete emotional wish fulfillment and satisfaction shown by the Ten of Cups card. So this is the general psychic reading for the coming 2 weeks. So it could be that This could be a not a specific, since this is not a specific reading. This can be only used for improving your general awareness. That's all. Hi guys. We all get dreams and visions that will help you course correct our life and build the life that we want. We also can visit other people through their dreams if we set the intention to manifest something with others too. Now, today I am going to show you a spread on dream interpretation and the various meanings that are thrown by the subconscious as messages when we have a recurring dream or a vision about something which we need to take a note of what are the dreams that are coming to you by keeping a notebook at the side of your bed, and then we can use this particular spread to help us understand what exactly does the dream conveys. This is a six card spread, and I'm planning to show you what is the reason, meaning and the messages shown by the spirit guides through the particular dream, and what are the energies and themes or messages that is coming from your subconscious mind. Also, is there a specific message that the dream is trying to communicate to you with the help of the dream, and is there any call to action or real life application that the dream is trying to convey to you, or is there any pitfall that you can avoid in life when we do a course correction based on the dreams that we have. And the first thing is, I'm asking spirit guides to help me show a reason why you had the dream at the first place. The reason is Queen of Swords, which shows that there is a clear future that you are seeing. Queen of Swords is about seeing things clearly, because you are seeing and envisioning things clearly about yourself and others, which is shown by the Queen of Swords card. This is the reason why you are getting those dreams in the first place. Queen of Swords shows that you are able to see or envision things clearly, and you have this particular ability to see through things, through the lives of others and yourself. Since you are able to see things clearly, that is the reason why you are getting those dreams and or visions about your future or others. Now, what is the personal meaning of the dream? Personal meaning of the dream is shown by the Ten of Cups card. This is a card of ultimate wish fulfillment and satisfaction. The personal meaning of the dream is conveyed by this Ten of Cups card. It shows that when you are able to see things clearly using the Queen of Swords card, you will be able to understand the meaning of the dream, which is ultimate wish fulfillment. So currently your dream is helping you to see things clearly. When it comes to others or yourself, you are able to see things clearly, and the reason, the personal reason of the dream is that you are able to see things clearly, and the meaning of the dream is moving towards your wish fulfillment and satisfaction. Is there any message from a spirit guide or your higher self that has been delivered to you through the dream? Is there any message from a spirit guide or your higher self that has been delivered through the dream? Is there any message from a spirit guide or higher self that has been delivered to the day? I am getting this Three of Wands card. The spirit guides are sending you this message that this is a card of manifestation. Three of Wands is the message that is being sent by the spirit guides, that in order to have this ultimate wish fulfillment in your life, spirit guides are telling you to start this manifestation shown by the Three of Wands card. If you start manifesting, now you are able to see things clearly shown by the Queen of Swords card. If you start manifesting things using the Three of Wands card, you will be able to have the ultimate wish fulfillment and satisfaction in life shown by the Ten of Cups card. What are the energies and or messages and themes which are at play from your subconscious mind? What are the energies, messages and themes that are at play from your subconscious mind? This is a Fool card. So this is about jumping into the unconscious or the unknown. So the messages, energies, messages and themes that are at play from your subconscious is jumping into the unknown. This is shown by the Fool card. Is there a specific message the dream is trying to tell you, or is there a lesson to learn? Is there a specific message that the dream is trying to tell you, or is there a message to learn? Lesson to learn. Okay, Two of Pentacles is the specific message that the dream is trying to tell you, or the lesson that it is trying to help you learn. Two of Pentacles is a card that shows that currently you are juggling between two situations, and the dream is trying to help you, reach your ultimate wish fulfillment if you start manifesting your dreams, what is shown by the dream, using the Three of Wands card. Currently your subconscious is jumping into the unknown, but actually the dream is trying to convey that your subconscious want to jump into the unknown in order to move towards a wish fulfillment. But the message the dream is trying to convey is that currently you are facing a situation where you are juggling between two things, and you need to cut that through by seeing things clearly, shown by the Queen of Swords card, and you need to start manifesting your wishes and desires, shown by the Ten of Cups card. Now, what if any the call to action or the real life application of the dream that you had? Is there any pitfall that you can avoid? What is the action, call to action or real life application of the dream that I had? Or is there some pitfall that you can avoid? This is the Queen of Pentacles card. Queen of Pentacles card is a call to action or the real life application of the dream you had. Queen of Pentacles is a self-sufficient, independent and wealthy, abundant, prosperous queen who is able to get everything on her own, and she is blooming with prosperity and abundance. This is the action, that call to action that you are supposed to take using the dream as a real life application, because you have now both. This is the Ten of Cups card, which is ultimate wish fulfillment, and this is the Queen of Pentacles card, which is the call to action that you need to do to become a self-sufficient and nurturing queen who has abundance and prosperity all around her. In order to do that, you need to start manifesting your dreams and wishes in the physical, shown by the Three of Wands card. Your current subconscious is all about jumping into the unknown, and you can see things clearly right now, and you can move into this ultimate wish fulfillment. And the call to action is about becoming this self-sufficient and independent and nurturing Queen of Pentacles who will be able to build a future of her own. So this is a dream interpretation spread which will help you tackle your subconscious messages if there are anything coming from the guides or the subconscious, because even in this spread there were messages coming from guides which were helping you to manifest those dreams and wishes in the physical rather than playing around with it or juggling with it, because this dream was specifically trying to convey you that you have a two of pentacle situation. Right now you are not able to decide between two situations on your own, whereas actually if you start manifesting you will be reaching your ultimate wish fulfillment to have your wishes and dreams fulfilled in the physical. Now even the call to action card from the dream was to become the Queen of Pentacles card in order to have your Ten of Cups, which is your wish fulfillment. And right now your subconscious is jumping into the unknown, but from that unknown thing, instead of being in that unknown, you can start manifesting, which is the messages that has come from the spirit guides shown by the Three of Wands card. Once you start manifesting it, you will be able to move towards your wish fulfillment shown by the Ten of Cups card. Right now you are able to see or vision have envision things clearly because of the Queen of Swords card, which is the reason why you are getting these dreams in the first place. Now I hope this dream interpretation spread was a good one. This gave us enough clarity to understand what was the meaning, reason, and the messages from the guides, and what is there in the subconscious mind, and what is the call to action that we need to take, and the specific message the dream was trying to convey to us. Thank you.